Visa refusal from Bulgaria? Ouch, that one stings. But don't throw away your passport just yet. You've got real options. Let's start with the basics. If you've been denied a Bulgarian visa, you've got 14 days, yes, just 2 weeks, to contest the decision. That means submitting a written objection to the same Bulgarian embassy or consulate that sent you the bad news. What should be in that appeal? Glad you asked. First, write a clear, logical letter explaining why the refusal was a mistake. This isn't the time for please reconsider. You'll need actual arguments supported by documents. Attach the documents you submitted originally, any new evidence or fixed paperwork, and a calm, respectful tone, even if you're frustrated, which I totally get. So why did they say no? Let's look at the usual suspects. Your application had errors. You didn't show enough money. No proper travel insurance. They don't trust your travel plan, but they think you might overstay, or you've got something troubling in your record. Sometimes it's legit, sometimes it's nonsense, but either way, you need to respond fast. Now, you might wonder, should I appeal or just reapply? If the reason was a missing document or something easy to fix, a new application might work, but only if you've actually corrected the issue. If the decision seems unfair, or they misunderstood your documents, appealing is often the smarter path. Here's the problem. This whole process is, let's say, delightfully bureaucratic. You need to be legally sharp, organized, and persuasive. In writing, and no, AI or Google Translate won't get you very far here. That's where lawyers like us come in. Here's what we do. We analyze your refusal, break down exactly what went wrong, help you decide, appeal or reapply, write a powerful appeal letter. Submit everything on time, and the right way. We've handled over 4,600 visa refusals, and yes, we've got an 85% success rate. And honestly, that's because we don't guess, we prepare thoroughly. Without a lawyer, well, you've got a tight deadline, foreign language rules, and a rejection that might follow you into your next visa application. With a lawyer, you get structure, strategy, and support. And don't forget, there's a link below this video where you can go book a consultation, get your documents reviewed, start your appeal the professional way. Got questions? Leave a comment. We might cover it in our next video. Like the video if this helped you. Share it with anyone who's had a Bulgaria visa refused. Subscribe for more real-world immigration advice. And remember, a visa refusal isn't the end. It's just a very bureaucratic detour. But with help, you can still get where you're going. See you in the next video.